let's do some harvesting before the rain starts again. I got peppers, a whole lot of peppers I need to harvest. I also have tomatoes that I need to harvest. So let's get it done because it's sprinkling. It's drizzling. It's drizzling right now. I thought we had a break in the rain, but no. So let me grab these tomatoes. Mosquitoes. Let me grab these tomatoes and peppers before the tomatoes split again. Let me go ahead and get them. Look, them look nice. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and grab them. They're ready. They are ready. So let me grab them. And also, I got peppers. Let me present to you peppers. Peppers, baby. Let me get these peppers. Yeah, let's get these peppers. Welcome. I don't know if I said welcome. I'm Levine. I'm still in my mask. I got a dental appointment coming very, very soon. So I should be back to normal. Should be back to normal very soon. Thank you for stopping by. Let's go. So no more on, I don't have any more on this plant. Yep, I do. I got some green ones. There's some green ones in there. She is tired. This plant is so sick of the rain. It is so sick of the rain. Oh my goodness. I need to fertilize, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Remember when I netted this up? Look how she filled in so nicely. Look, pure water. It has not stopped raining for days. When I tell you we are sick of all this rain, I'm telling you we are sick of all this rain. So look at my beauties. Aren't they gorgeous? They are nice. It's really crowded in here. It's really crowded. And so wet from all the rain. I don't want any surprises, so I'm peeping in there. Okay, these carrots are getting big. They are getting big. Ooh, no, 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 no. Worm in here, massive. Look, it is huge. Caterpillar. It's been in here eating away. Oh, too much carrot. I'm gonna cut the top off, cut the top down, and see if that would help. Yeah, it's way too much of this. Flowers are doing well. Yeah, these flowers are doing really well, but this carrot, it's too too much. Too much. So let me pick these peppers. It's making little carrots. How cute. That is so cute. What is this? It's supposed to be an okra. Why is it supposed to be pink? I don't know. Celery. I have some more on the other side. Celery. Hmm. Looks like my Snapdragon has gone to the upper room. So I'm going to put a tomato plant right here. Let me grab some of this for my smoothie. Too much in here to be trying to hose it down outside. So I need to get a better system to get them cleaned off outside. All this curry. All this curry. Hey, today's harvest. There goes all of this basil, celery, curly kale, of course my tomatoes, bell pepper, black beauty bell pepper, one pepper right here, and these tomatoes. These are the patio, and these are red snapper. And last but not, no, carrot top, and my curry. Yeah, I got this curry, and it smells like curry powder. Yeah, smells good. So that's the harvest for today. Thanks for stopping by.